Welcome guys, Martin Bennett here from the Loan Room.
Joel, how you doing?
We will come to you here with the first video of 2019. We are super excited. The amount of activity and optimism seems to be back in the market. So we just want to talk with one of our mortgage experts, Joel, about what he thinks you should be doing right now if you're thinking about buying a property. Joel.
Perfect, Marty. Now, if you are looking in the market, you'll notice that more properties starting to get listed on realestate.com and all those property websites. So what you should be doing right now is getting your pre-approval done so that way you're fully ready to go. You know exactly how much you can afford, you know how much you can buy for, and you're good to go to those auctions and negotiating those private sales.
You don't want to be second guessing when you go to put an offer on a property. There are great bargains out there. We're clearly seeing that. What the list price is, gone are the days where you have to go 20% above that. Quite often now you're able to negotiate below that. A great buying tool though is if someone like Joel's organised a true pre-approval for you, you can actually go unconditional on an offer, which in the current market is a fantastic negotiating tool because often vendors want to see a contract that's going to be signed, sealed and delivered.
Definitely. Now you're a much more attractive customer to the vendor if you've got a full approval as opposed to someone subject to finance waiting to get that organised, because these days a lot of finance is falling over from different banks because of a number of reasons. So if you can come in with an unconditional offer, they're definitely going to enjoy that a lot more. And you mentioned before true pre-approval, that's the big key there. So true pre-approval means that you're actually getting your application, still happening here on Burke Road. Pre-approval is when you actually get fully assessed by the bank. Now what happens is a number of people go into a branch, they talk to someone at the bank and they calculate your income, your expenditure and say this is what you can borrow. That actually hasn't been fully assessed by a credit assessor, so actually it isn't a full pre-approval. So what we'll do for you, we'll sit down with you, take it to a bank, get fully assessed, get a full pre-approval for you, so that way you have full confidence that you're ready to buy.
Fantastic advice. That is a real key. You need to have a solid approval subject only to a contract of sale and evaluation wherever applicable.
Perfect.
For the viewers, how long does a pre-approval normally last?
90 days, and we can always look at getting that extended. So often after 90 days, they may just want some updated pay slips to make sure you're still working and nothing's changed in your financial situation. So it's pretty easy. Just ask for a request, we extend it longer, but it might take you more than 90 days to find a place, but at least you're ready that way.
Correct.
You definitely don't want to be caught with your pants down, where I've had a couple of clients in the past where they've come to me after they've been to the bank, they've told them they can borrow say 400, they found a property, come back and say actually you can only borrow 350. So because it was never fully assessed, they've got to find an extra 50 grand.
That's excellent, Joel. Listen, guys, I think to finish here, the key points of this, if you're thinking about buying a property, make sure you come and sit down with somebody like Joel who can go through, give you the understanding of what you need to do to be either ready to buy or to get yourself in a position to buy.
Definitely.
I think that's a key takeaway today.
Absolutely.
Guys, thank you very much. Hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you hit subscribe. Check us out. Give us a call if you want to.